Action. Welcome back, everybody. It's another episode, and this time we're in Scotland.
So a slightly different video this week, although I feel like we say that every week as it is, and I know we haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks. There is a very good reason for that. We are on a Scotland road trip currently, and losing ourselves in the adventure, quite honestly. But to be serious, sometimes we have a lot to share, and other times not so much. And so rather than sticking to a YouTube favoured schedule, we're just going to upload as and when that we think we've got stuff to share, or I don't know, park ups to recommend, or trips. So I know YouTube doesn't like that. I know YouTube doesn't favour random uploads, but hey, that's what the notification bell's for. So if you hit that, if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll find out as soon as a video goes up. So really, we're making videos for you guys, not YouTube.
So we are in Little Ferry on the east side of Scotland. Been in Scotland about a week now, I think, haven't we, Kez?
We have, and we have ended up in this part of Scotland, slightly off of our planned track, as we like to kind of just, that's the beauty of van life, isn't it? You can just, did you want me to hold it?
Go for it.
You can just go where you choose, and after a lot of rain, we decided to chase the good weather. So we have come to one of our favourite park ups. It's not part of the Forest Commissionary, but it is a one night stopover for motorhomes, right next to a beach, and stunning.
So this park up is in Little Ferry, as I say, on the east side of Scotland, and I think, once you turn off to come down to this beach park up, I think it's about a 5-mile drive or something mental. It takes about an hour to walk back up to the little village from all the way down here, but what that does mean is you don't get many people here. And this time of year, there's literally no one here.
And also, what is fabulous is not only have you got the beach, but you've got these really cool woods. I'm useless with the camera, so I don't know. There we go. These really cool woods where last night we were walking through and we saw 6 deer, I think it was.
8, 10 deer.
8, 10 deer. And also we realised that it's actually deer mating season. So through quite a few of our stops already, we've had the delight of
or whatever noise they make. At first we thought, is it a cow, is it a sheep? And then it was like, oh yeah, forget, we're in Scotland. So
we've got already so much to share of Scotland. Park up recommendations, van life experiences, trips, information. So our Scotland series will be beginning very, very, very soon. I won't say what day the video is going to come out because we don't know, because as yet, what we can say is within the next 2 weeks there will be a Scotland video.
Exciting.
So if you hit the notification bell, it will pop up and let you know when our first Scotland episode is up. But also I should mention,
if you want regular updates of what we're up to, head over to Instagram and check out our Instagram channel at Tristan Kez. For all of this and much, much more, hit the notification bell and join us on our Scotland adventure. Bye for now, folks.